Hi guys, welcome to my amazing trip to Varkala, the coolest beach town in Kerala. Get ready to soak in chill vibes and get stunned by the beaches here. Varkala has fantastic beaches with gold sand and crystal clear water. Whether you are a beach bum or you are a sports fanatic, you would love it here. Varkala Cliff is simply jaw dropping. Oh, and Varkala's waves are perfect for surfing and extreme water sports. And Varkala's sunsets are to die for. The sunsets here are like a work of art. And Varkala's seafood is yum. You will be amazed by the flavors here. Varkala is also a shopping heaven. If you love affordable clothes and jewelry, then this is an amazing place for you. Let's go on this amazing journey together. So I took a train from Bangalore to Varkala, and it took me around 14 hours to reach Varkala. There are other options like bus, it's 10 minutes from Cliff, and there's no direct flight. You can go to Trivandrum. Then for stay, I was staying in Gogo Nuts hostel, but I would recommend to stay in Soul Hostel, Zostel, Hostel EXP. They are very inexpensive. Then I went for brunch to Seaview Restaurant. Their seafood and pink pasta is amazing. Then I went for a walk at the famous Varkala cliff. The view was insane. Then I thought of shopping as you can chill and there's not much to do. So I went for a shopping spree. They have amazing skirts and tops and jewelry, and you can buy gifts and souvenirs for your loved ones from here. Then after the market, I went to the famous black beach. It is black because of thorium oxide present in the sand. I watched the most amazing sunset I've seen till now. You need to come here to witness the sunset. It's heavenly. Then I went for dinner to Abba's Cafe. It is very popular and everybody knows about it in Varkala. They have amazing food and drinks. If you're traveling solo, then you should come here. Also, if you're traveling solo, then you should ideally go back to your hostel by 11 pm. Then I went to brunch next day, and after brunch, I went to the beach again to just chill and take a sun bath. The rocks here are made up of limestone and they belong to Senzoic era. So there are two kinds of formations. First is Quillon formation and it is made up of limestone. And second is Varkali formation which is made up of bed of sand and shale. I was going to Couple Beach next, On the way, I saw an amazing sunset at the backwaters of Varkala. Then I went to the famous couple beach to watch the sunset. It's 7 kilometers from the cliff. I saw an amazing sunset again, and it just blew my mind. I didn't feel like leaving this place. But I had to leave because I was getting hungry. So I went to Cafe Sandy Bay for an amazing cup of cold coffee with great views. Then at night, I went for cafe hopping. First, I went to Taj for Tibetan food. Then I went to Cafe Italiano for Italian food. On the last day, I went to the Varkala cliff and chilled the whole time. I could not stop staring at the Arabian Sea. If you have time, then you can visit Puvar Island and Jatayu Bird, which are nearby. Then in the evening, I had to go back by bus. I didn't feel like leaving honestly, but I made a promise to come back. If you liked this video, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel.